Okay, hello, good evening all. Okay, this is one of the important topics, very interesting topic related to adolescence. Okay, students, especially you are the newly joined students and you are in the age adolescence period. Okay, this is the period during which you undergo a lot of stress in our life. Okay, there is a lot of confusion which group to opt in, whether to buy PC or MPC. Okay, for everything there is a lot of confusion and lot of stress. Okay, you are in that particular kind of age because you have grown up and you have come from this childhood stage to the next stage. Okay, during this stage there will be release of hormones. Okay, because of these hormones, several changes take place in the body. Okay, biological changes take place, behavioral changes take place. Okay, lot of changes take place. Okay, that's why there is a lot of confusion over everything. Okay, let us talk about this adolescence topic. Okay, I am a teen. I have a messy room. I spend most of my time online. I have private things on my phone. I go to bed late. I am crazy about one particular. Okay, during this teenage, okay, your parents have gone through this stage. Okay, now you have entered into this stage. Okay, after few days, okay, you come out of that. Okay, that adolescent, then you enter into the adult age. It is a part and parcel of every person's life. But one thing you have to remember: this is the age, very vulnerable, dangerous age. This is the adolescent period because first time you are experiencing lot of changes in your body, and there will be behavioral changes, and there will be opposite sex attraction. Okay, these all things take place. Okay, that is the reason why girls and boys. They want to roam in groups, in gangs, in groups, and they start adoring their cinema heroes and heroines. Okay, these all things take place during this age, but it is not a permanent stage in our life. But okay, most of the people, okay, they settle. Okay, this is the age, okay, during which you can do wonders. Okay, if you channelize your energy in a proper way. For example, when water is coming through a canal to your crop field, okay, if you don't channelize that water to your field, it may go to other useless field. What happens when the water goes to useless field where we do not cultivate useless area, barren area, okay, where weeds grow. Okay, when you channelize that water to the crop field, what happens? The same water makes the crops grow, and the crops can get nutrients from the soil, and we get the result. We harvest the crop. Okay, like that. Okay, you have energy levels in your body as you are in youth. You are youth. Okay, you have to channelize that energy in a proper way. Otherwise, okay, if you use your levels in a wrong way, okay, you go in a wrong way, and okay, everyone will suffer. You suffer, your parents will suffer. Okay, that's why this is the age you have to keep always in your mind. It is part and parcel of every person. Not only you become adolescent now, and somehow, okay, next when you become a parent, your children also pass through that stage. Okay, the part and parcel of life. Age, very dangerous age. You have to be very careful. Okay, adolescence and drug alcohol abuse. Okay, let us talk about first adolescence. Adolescence meaning, it is a Latin word. Okay, it came from a Latin word called adolescere. Okay, is a transitional stage. Transitional change of physical, psychological development change. Transitional stage. Okay, during this stage, a lot of physical development takes place in the boys as well as in the girls, and psychology also takes place during stage. Adolescence means both a period as well as a process during which a child becomes mature. A child becomes mature. In terms of his or her attitudes also change. Okay, you learned in 10th class. Attitude is altitude. Okay, first lesson in our English. Okay, if you remember always that Nick, okay, who, okay, does not have limbs, but he did the wonders. Why not we? Okay, beliefs for effective participation of the society in the society. Okay, during this stage, okay, you want to go to parties. Okay, you want to give party, okay, birthday party, and you want to involve in politics. Okay, that means you are participating, you are coming into the society during this age. The period between 12 to 18 years of age may be thought of as adolescence period. Okay, adolescence period is from 12 to 18 years. Okay, in other words, adolescence is a bridge connecting childhood. Okay, this is the childhood. For example, this is the adulthood, adulthood and childhood, and okay, the connecting link between these two is the adolescence. Adolescence. Okay, in other words, adolescence is a bridge. It is a bridge linking childhood and adulthood. Okay, as I showed you here, okay, adolescence is a bridge, okay, linking these two. What is that? Adult and childhood. Okay, adolescence is accompanied by, okay, what happened during the adolescence period. Okay, it is a period as well as a process. Several biological and behavioral changes takes place. Okay, the boys start looking at the girls start looking at the boys. The behavioral changes when you go outside. Okay, you will be very shyful, and you sometimes you feel very shy. Okay, when you are child, okay, you did not have those all things. Okay, that means here there is a behavioral change. Okay, you want to be very attractive all the time. You want to wear a very colorful clothes. You want to wear, okay, gold ornaments. Okay, that means that in our behavior a lot of changes takes place, as well as biological changes in boys. Okay, hair develops on the face and in the armpits. Okay, now on the sexual organ, and in girls also breast development takes place. Okay, voice changes occur. A lot of biological changes as well as behavioral changes take place during this adolescence period. Adolescence thus is a very vulnerable phase of mental and psychological development of an individual. Okay, there you are. Okay, now during this adolescence stage, you start thinking logically. Okay, you have logical thinking develops here. You can do wonders. Okay, as you get the logical thinking. Okay, these all develop in our body, and psychological development, mental. Okay, mental development, psychological development takes place in an individual. Okay, it is a lot of physical changes as I told you in the previous slide. Okay, the lot of physical changes take place here. Rapid increase in the height as well as in the weight, and changes in circulatory and respiratory systems and body composition. Primary sexual sex characters are the changes directly related to sexual reproduction. Reproductive organs of both boys and girls grow and develop. Boys experience their first release of seminal fluid or ejaculation from their penis takes place, and girls experience menarche or the first release of blood and fluids from the vagina, and later called it is called as a menstruation. Okay, it starts here. Okay, psychological changes. Apart from physical changes, adolescents also go through, okay, psychological changes, experiencing various hues of emotions ranging from confusing emotions like getting early. getting easily upset to anxiousness for independence, and still needing and seeking support of the parents. And when some, okay, your parents say something, okay, you feel, you get anger. When you are a child, 5 years, 7 years old, okay, you are not like that, because hormones increase, you will be more aggressive, boys will be more aggressive, and consciousness about one's sexuality, and next curiosity to explore, this is very important point, and know about sexuality and other related topics, and anger, excitedness. Okay, anger will be more here when your parents say something to do, to read or something, you shout at them, you are angry with them. Okay, you are angry at your parents. Okay, these all are very common psychological changes during this age. Okay, this is a natural, you have to be relaxed. Okay, stay relaxed, be composed. Okay, how to manage these psychological changes that occur, okay, during this age. Okay, best way to manage one's emotional and psychological is to channelize one's energy. You have to channelize your energy to do good deeds. మంచి పనులు చేయడానికి you have to, okay, మీ ఎనర్జీ లెవెల్స్ అన్నిటిని you have to use to do good deeds. It is a good idea to pursue extracurricular activities along with your studies. Okay, if you, okay, not only studies, okay, apart from that, you have to not only your subject books. Okay, nowadays what is happening is, you are coming from the school, mummy, I work there. Okay, I studied well from morning to evening. Okay, from dawn to dusk. Okay, I want mobile phone, I want to play. Okay, when we were a child, okay, we are very fortunate, we did not have these mobiles. Okay, now you have lot of distractions from your surroundings. Okay, apart from your subject books, okay, read the, okay, life histories of people like Abdul Kalam and some other people that you like. Okay, therefore you can understand how they have grown up and what they did do. Why don't we do like that? Okay, you have to think, you have to use your free time. Okay, you have to inspire from a girl from Pakistan who did wonders, Malala. Okay, like that, from those people we have to inspire, and do spend good time in playing, playground, gym, etc., instead of okay, gluing, sticking to the mobile phones all the time. Exercise and play sports are very important for one's physical and mental development. When where there is a sound body, there will be sound mind. Okay, not all your friends are also going through the same phase. So don't give in to peer pressures when they say something. ఓకే, వాళ్ళు కూడా అదే ఫేజ్ లో ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి వాళ్ళు డ్రగ్స్, ఆల్కహాల్, స్మోకింగ్ ఇలాంటివి చేయడం స్టార్ట్ చేస్తుంటారు, నిన్ను కూడా ఫోర్స్ చేస్తారు. యూ షుడ్ నాట్ వాటికి లొంగకు. డోంట్ గివ్ ఇన్ టు ద ప్రెజర్. పీర్ మీన్స్ పీపుల్ ఆఫ్ సేమ్ ఏజ్ గ్రూప్. జనరల్లీ మీరందరూ ఒకే ఏజ్ లో ఉంటారు కాబట్టి వాళ్ళ నుంచి మీకు కొన్ని ప్రెజర్స్ వస్తుంటాయి టు డూ బ్యాడ్ థింగ్స్. ఓకే, యూ హ్యావ్ టు అవాయిడ్ దమ్. Okay, curiosity and need for adventure, it is very important thing here. Curiosity అడ్వెంచర్స్ చేయడం, ఎగ్జైట్మెంట్ అండ్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంటేషన్. మందు తాగితే ఎలా ఉంటుందో, సిగరెట్ తాగితే ఎలా ఉంటుందో, ఎక్స్పెరిమెంటేషన్ అండ్ కాన్స్టిట్యూట్ కామన్ కాజెస్ విచ్ మోటివేట్ యంగ్స్టర్స్ towards using drug and alcohol. Okay, what are the main things here? Curiosity, need for adventure and excitement, experimentation, and constitute the common causes which motivate you, youngsters, towards okay, drug and alcohol abuse. Okay, don't do such things. A child's natural curiosity motivates him or her to experiment. Okay, when you have curiosity, okay, you start doing something. Okay, when, okay, child's natural curiosity. Okay, some children have curiosity to learn new things. Some have curiosity about these drugs and alcohol, tobacco. Okay, this natural curiosity motivates them, motivates you, okay, to experiment. This is complicated further, okay, by effects benefit. For example, curiosity, you experiment a drug, you take alcohol, something. Okay, people of your age group. Okay, the next does, okay, when they take that one, okay, they get some effects, okay, some euphoria like that. And while angels are they which might be perceived as benefits. Okay, if when I take this drug, I am getting a lot of happiness. They see that as a benefit, okay, of alcohol and drug use. Thus, the first use of drugs and alcohol may be out of curiosity to start just or experimentation. But later the child starts using these to escape problems. Okay, of late, stress from the pressures to excel in academics or examinations has played a significant role in persuading the youngsters to try alcohol and drugs. There will be a lot of pressure from some parents, okay, to excel in academics. You should get 100 marks in all subjects. It is not possible to get 100 marks in all subjects, and in examination you must get the first rank, you must get this one. So calculate the stress from pressures to excel in academics and examinations has played a significant role in persuading the, okay, youngsters to try alcohol and drugs. Okay, next, the perception among the youth is, okay, that it is cool or progressive to smoke, use drugs and alcohol is also a major cause for youth to start this habit. The perception among the youth to cool and progressive to smoke. Okay, when we smoke, that means we are developing, we are progressing in our life. When we use drugs, when we alcohol, otherwise, if you don't take, so if you don't smoke, okay, there is a okay, there are some people, okay, they force you, they ask you to indulge in those activities. Okay, cigarette తాగకపోతే వాడు మనిషే కాదు, ఆ మందు తీసుకున్నాడే మనిషే కాదు. Like that they force you. Okay, you should not, you don't persuade. Okay, don't fall prey to such టెలివిజన్స్ అండ్ టీవీలో సినిమాలు చూసి మూవీ స్టార్స్ నుంచి మూవీస్ అండ్ న్యూస్ పేపర్స్ ఇంటర్నెట్ ఆర్ ఆల్సో హెల్ప్ టు ప్రమోట్ దిస్ పర్సెప్షన్. When our hero, our famous hero, okay, my okay, adorable hero is also doing that, okay, why not I, okay, you feel like that. Other factors that have been seen to be associated with the drug and alcohol abuse among adolescents are unstable, unsupportive family structures and peer pressures. Okay, when our family, when there are family problems, parents do not take care of the children. Okay, that is also one of the reason. Okay, which forces the child to do this all thing. Unsupportive family, when there is no family support to that person, when there is an unstable family. Okay, that is also another reason. Okay, for which are also these are the other reasons which are associated with the drug and alcohol abuse. Okay, that's the end of adolescence period. Okay, this is a very vulnerable phase in our life. You have to be very careful. Make use of your time. Okay, okay. Use your time for reading books. Other than, okay, when you finish your studies, when you read your book, subject book, then you read the books of Mother Teresa or some other people, or you can do painting, or you can sing, or you can dance. Okay, use of time, make use of time. And don't, when you are doing something, when you keep yourself busy and you don't fall prey to these all things. Okay, when someone, your friend, and calls you and tell them, okay, I'm drawing, I am doing something. Okay, in that way, okay, you can escape and you can save your time, and you can make use of your time in a proper way. I hope suggestions from me.